So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 2D scatter chart on a Keynote presentation. So once your Keynote presentation's opened up, go to this top bar here to where it says chart. Make sure that chart is selected. Now make sure that 2D is highlighted just like this. Now if you're looking for a scatter chart, simply just scroll down to the very bottom to where these options are right here. So if you were to go ahead and press on this one right here, this of course is an example of a 2D scatter chart. Now if you want to see what other options are out there for a chart, simply just press on the chart right here, go to where it says chart type, make sure that this is selected, and make sure that 2D scatter chart is selected if that's what you're looking for. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to add a 2D scatter chart to your Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.